I know you can see the logo, but if you look at the from, came from the Netherlands. Overseas. I feel like Napoleon trying to invade Russia in the winter. Don't you? What are you doing? Why would you do that? I ain't got something I ain't got a knife. It's not an unboxing. It's laying in the box. We gotta unpackage it. Now the thing about this one is, I know it's not gonna look how I wanted it to look. So we got an unboxing. This is the first merch unboxing that I know is not gonna look how I wanted it to look. They told me that. I've already done a whole video about the lore and the story of it. You know what I'm saying? But it's finally here, in hand. So this is going to be Soggetto Quarantanove. Soggetto Quarantanove. Subject 49. I just gotta make sure I got something. Get it right. Get it right. I got some matches. I don't know if that's gonna be alright. I gotta, uh-oh. I hope so. I have something, right? Let me see. These are not. I should have been prepared. Way more. I had time. Think about it. Now, if I only have matches, that's gonna present a struggle. Oh man. Alright, well we'll see. Let's see here. Let's try it. Let's just try it. Let's see what happens. With that wind too. Got it. All right. So, let's not waste too much time. All we have to do is unbox, unpack it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Let's see. The product. Ordered on January 11th. I got it yesterday. That's almost 20 days. Today's January 31st. All right. Let's do this. All right. Technically, the design's facing me. I could look at it and see. There you go. All right, there it is. There it is. So, this is the World War III Project Extinction bucket hat. This is the World War III Project Extinction bucket hat. All right. Okay. A flex fit. Flex fit. Cotton 12 bucket. Let's do this. Let's see here. I did all that. We gotta do the intro. Gotta do the intro. Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Paulo Palingue. Benvenuti nella giungla dei graffiti. Questo è impostore, rockstar. It's the fake rockstar chat show. Questo è episodio 30. Episode 30. Pensieri tangentiali. Formerly known as Tangential Thoughts Chat Show. Shout out to my co-host and doggy Heaven Bailey. Podcast sui sigari. Cigar Talk Podcast. Questo è Soggetto 49. Subject 49. Project Extinction. That's the clothing brand. Chief Jahara. Sono to a couple. Sono Chief Jahara.